We are so happy you guys can be with us today. We hope you had your coffee after that sunrise service. Now we're gonna get right into the announcements, starting with you guys. The men's retreat is May 1st through the 3rd. Fresh air, green trees, blue sky, you name it, we got it. Get away and spend some quality time with the Lord. Register online, mark your calendars. It's gonna be at Calvary Chapel Christian Camp in Green Valley Lake. We've also got the men's breakfast coming up, Saturday, April 11th at 7:30 a.m. Come on out for some delicious breakfast with an even more delicious message by Pastor Dave Rolfe of Calvary Chapel, Pacific Hills. It's $5 a person, 15 years and up. Well, it's been an unforgettable season for us as a church, and now we're ready for a new one, as God brings Pastor Jeff Gill to minister to us as our new senior pastor of Calvary Chapel South Bay. Be sure to be here for his installation service on Sunday, April 12th, as we welcome both him and his wife. Well, we're all out of announcements, so it's time for worship and God's Word. Have an amazing Easter. Bye-bye.